Macbeth is set in 11th century Scotland and follows the rise and fall of Macbeth, a noble warrior who is spurred by a prophecy from three witches to murder King Duncan and seize the throne. Consumed by guilt and paranoia, Macbeth's reign becomes increasingly tyrannical, leading to his eventual downfall and death at the hands of Macduff, a nobleman seeking revenge. Macbeth by William Shakespeare is a tragedy, a brave warrior whose ambition for power, spurred by the witches' prophecies, leads him to murder and madness. This explores how unchecked ambition corrupts and destroys both the individual and those around them. Macbeth is a powerful tragedy that explores dangers of unchecked ambition and moral corruption as the title character pursues power through violence and tyranny, influenced by the witch's prophecies and his wife's encouragement. It serves as a cautionary tale showing how ambition can lead to personal downfall and disrupt the natural order.